guys, I just received another BCM by post. Here, you see, the customer sent me 2 BCM. I believe this is for Ford Transit, and you see it's just marked as a new one. Obviously this is a new BCM, and let's see what we got on this one. And this is old from the vehicle. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy all the data from this to this, and once we do everything, it's gonna be plug and play, so you don't need to do any program, any software, anything on it. I done all the software, everything. That's my wiring diagram, everything is ready. Do all the wiring, everything, and then once I do that, I'll come back to you guys again. Okay, double check. Can low, can high, can high is can high. Okay, so I done all the wiring diagram, which is I got positive here, positive pin 10, pin 13, and then I got negative here, and I got can low and can high here. So now let me just go to my desktop. Alright, now I done all the wiring diagram. So now I open IO terminal. This is genuine IO terminal. I don't use clone tools, I always use genuine tools. So let me just go back, and then you guys, you can see better. See what I'm doing. So I need to connect the 12 volt. Let me I need to connect my USB. My USB connected. So let's connect my 12 volt. My 12 volt is connected. So what I'm doing now, I go to the Ford PSI, and this is the Siemens unit, which is the first one. I just press and I press connect, and you can see it's keep trying to connect it. Now the unit connect. The first thing I want to read it is read a prom data, which is, I think, is very quick. Let me I see read. Yeah, I think we got all the data here. Yeah, so what I do, I go to save this data. I go to IO terminal and this module. Let me see which one was not that one, not that one. It's not this, definitely it's not this. No. Delphi. Where is it? Oh, it should be, yeah, that's the one. So I just put here, I just open my file and I put ORG, which is original, and here I put ORG. So save, go back to the other one, which is say read the flash. The flash is gonna take a little bit time because it's quite a big file, and yeah, once I save the data flash, so I will take off the old the Genium unit out and I just put the donor unit. So now I go to memory dump again. You can see this is the flash data, so I save this one as well as a flash original, save. So what I'm doing now, I go back to here, so I disconnect. You can see it's disconnecting. Tech noise. So once disconnect, I switch off and I take the wiring out and I put the other unit back to the wiring diagram, and we try to do the rest job in few minutes. Alright guys, I just hook up the other the second-hand ECU. As you can see, this is the old one from the car. So we already done, we copy all the data from the Genium one. So now we got the old one, I mean the new one is hooked. My Genium IO terminal is just connect to my PC. So I'm going to just put my camera on my PC and you guys can see better. So now I connect. So what I do, I go to memory dump. So I go to original one. So what I'm going to upload, I'm going to upload the original EEPROM, which is this, and then I go back to the main page and you can see here say write EEPROM. Are you sure you want to do this operation? Yes. And you can see the operation is successful. And once we done that one, we go back to memory again. We upload the flash, the original flash. This is the original flash, and you can see this is all the data. That's the original flash. And once we do that one, we press write original flash. And are you sure you want to write yes? And you can see is erasing, and now it's writing back on the flash. And this is my tools, my bench, and as you can see, we are just nearly there. That's all done. That's all good now. Everything is gone. Everything is perfect. So writing flash okay. So what I do, I disconnect, I switch off my power, take off all the wiring, put everything back to the box, same box the customer sent me back. So I'm gonna put everything to the same box and send it back to the customer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope there is some information can help someone. Thank you very much.